Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to post bills in QuickBooks. Accurately entering your vendor bills is a fundamental part of managing your business finances. It ensures you have a clear picture of what you owe and helps you avoid late payments. We will walk through the entire process, from initial entry to payment, making sure you understand each crucial step. This will help you maintain excellent financial records. To begin, open QuickBooks and go to the Vendors menu, then select Enter Bills. This opens the bill entry window. First, choose the correct vendor from your list. Next, carefully enter the bill date, the due date, and any reference number provided on the invoice. Finally, input the total amount of the bill and assign it to the appropriate expense account, ensuring everything is accurate. Once your bills are entered, it is time to pay them. Navigate to the Vendors menu again and select Pay Bills. Here, you can choose which bills to pay. Select your payment method, whether it is by check, credit card, or another option. Be sure to record the exact payment date and specify which checking account the funds are coming from. This ensures all payments are tracked precisely. By consistently posting bills, you maintain accurate financial records, which is vital for informed decision-making. This practice helps you avoid costly late payment fees and strengthens your relationships with vendors. Furthermore, having up-to-date bill information makes bank reconciliation much simpler and more efficient. Regularly reviewing your accounts payable ensures your business runs smoothly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.